Please, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, item number 9. Number
Yes.
9, Lordship. Can you grant me 3 weeks time to obtain instructions, Lordship? For state.
Counter not yet filed.
Not yet, Lordship.
For the
No objection, Lordship.
Mr.
Subhamati. For the petition.
Then counsel for the petitioner is present. Staff. Mr. Yangami, land counsel, land government advocate. Raise for 2 weeks time, Lordship. To obtain
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks time to obtain instruction. To file counter affidavit. Stop. The prayer is allowed. List is matter after 3 weeks.
Bless you, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 21, Lordship. 21, Lordship. Last
Yes.
item. Lordship, I have some personal difficulty today, so may it be listed after 2 weeks.
Santiago.
Trying to locate him, but I couldn't locate him till now.
But you could not inform.
I could not inform.
So we'll adjourn later on then.
Lordship.
When
Lordship.
okay.
My blessed Lordship, I picked the mention admission item number 4. I admit that I may be granted 4 weeks time to file affidavit and reply.
Oh yes, you have not yet filed reply.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Supamati Paling, planning counsel for the petitioner. Raise for how much?
4 weeks time, Your Lordship.
4 weeks time. Further 4 weeks time to file affidavit in reply. Stop. Okay, Mr. Jibomi, Land counsel for Land.
For respondent 1 to 3.
Counsel for the respondent number 1 and
1 to 3.
1, 2, and 3 is present. Stop. And then present. Stop. The prayer made by the land council for the petitioner is allowed. List is matter after 4 weeks. Okay.
Your Lordship, I have a similar prayer for item number 8 also, Your Lordship.
8.
Yes, Lordship.
Here also you have not yet filed reply.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Similar order, huh?
My blessed Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10.
10.
Your Lordship may kindly grant me 3 times to file affidavit in opposition.
Not yet filed. Yes. So just you are for the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
Miss
Krike.
land council for the petitioner is present. Miss
For Krike.
respondent number.
26 respondents. I'm representing
Respondent number 2 and 6.
27 respondents.
27.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Land council for Miss land council for the respondent. Praise for how much time?
3 weeks time, Your Lordship.
3 weeks time to file counter affidavit. The prayer is allowed. List is matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Oblige, Your Lordship. May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3. On behalf of additional IG, Imti Imsom. Lordship, you can release this matter after 3 weeks.
After 3 weeks,
Lordship,
you are for
I'm for the state.
who is for the petitioner?
Lordship, I'm for the petitioner.
You have any?
No, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship
Miss-
also yet to file a reply
You
to the state as well as the,
or you have to file reply.
yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, Miss
Because or no?
land counsel for the petitioner is present. Now you are praying for?
3 weeks to file counter affidavit. Yet to receive
So
instruction.
which one you have?
Lordship, item number 3.
Item, no. So then you have to file reply which to which? What?
The private respondent.
For private respondent, you have already filed. Okay, present, huh? And Miss So Miss her name, huh? State respondent, prays for 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit. And Mr. Your private respondent?
I'm for respondent number 6, Your Lordship.
Okay. Five. Oh, okay.
Uh,
Then both present, 4, 5, Mr.
Respondent number 6, Your Lordship.
5, his name, is present, and Miss 6. Vero is also present, staff, The state respondent, sorry, the petitioner also prays.
My
for-
lord, this was been mistakenly mentioned. Now, item number 3, I'm representing the state. Respondent number 1, 2, and 4. I filed the counter on 16.
You have already filed,
I have already filed.
so they want to file reply,
yes,
Just-
Your Lordship.
the
If you
petitioner.
want- If the other side want to reply, then that is okay, but insofar as state has been concerned,
Okay,
I have filed.
then he's present, They are present, and then the prayer would be by the petitioner, The land council for the petitioner prays for 3 weeks time to file reply.
Yes.
Affidavit in reply, stop. To which the land council for the respondent has no objection. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay, they pray for it.
May I please, Lordship? I
Yes.
beg to mention item number 7, Your Lordship. Lordship, here, 3 weeks' time may be granted to file a reply.
This, you want to file reply here also?
Yes, Your
This
Lordship.
otherwise ready for hearing? Okay. Miss, her name, Who represent this, respondent, yeah? Land council for the petitioner. Prays for 3 weeks time. Prays for and is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply.
Yes.
Okay,
I filed, your lordship.
yes. So that's why they want to file reply. Oh. Okay, Mr. Mohanjo. Lanet. Senior government advocate. Is present for the respondent, the state respondent. Okay,
Bless you, Lordship.
Please, Lordship,
yes,
I beg to mention item number 13. I may be given 3 weeks' time to file my reply.
yes, reply you had to file, not yet files. Miss
It's agreed.
Land council for the petitioner. Prays for and is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay,
Bless you, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I
Yeah.
beg to mention item number 20, Lordship, in the hearing.
20.
Lordship, it's a joint prayer of the parties. It's a joint prayer of both the parties to let it come up on May 30
May 13.
for hearing, Lordship.
Okay. Both the land council for the petitioner, Mr.
City Council.
And Mr.
Mosam Longkum
Land council for the respondent,
for the state.
for the state respondent,
For respondent number 3.
and Miss Shansu for respondent number 3 are present. Is prayed for by the land council for the parties. List this matter on 13 May. So remove the vote, Yeah, because 3 persons.
Okay,
Okay,
nice. Lordship,
yes.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 6 on behalf of the council for the petitioner.
26, Your Lordship.
Reply noted filing. Herald.
Item number 6.
Item
Item
six.
number 6, yes.
Yeah, reply you have not yet filed. You are for the petitioner.
Yes.
So what do you want now?
2 weeks' time, you will.
For
I mean,
filing
2 weeks.
reply? Mister, your good name?
Manan.
Land council for the petitioner. Prays for 2 weeks,
3 weeks' time.
3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply.
My lord, I also beg to mention item number 25.
Just a minute, Mr. Moa M. Chen, Land Senior Government Advocate, and Land Senior Government Advocate is present. and has no objection. Stop. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. So what, which item?
25.
25.
Yes, my lord.
24 is with 25 Jana.
So it is connected with 23.
No, I mean 25.
So let the matter be called for. It's 23, 24, 25. Wait for some time. Wait for some time. Yes,
May I please, Your Lordship?
yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11. Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 3, Lordship. Lordship, I filed my bacalot number only this morning. So, Lordship, kindly list this matter after 2 weeks to file my affidavit in the position.
You have not yet filed affidavit in opposition.
Lordship, yes, I
But
filed my
the
bacalot number
petitioner
only
has
this
not
morning.
yet filed counter.
Yes, Lordship, I'm for the petitioner, Lordship.
Yes, yes, you wanted to file counter.
Yes,
bill.
to the state's Lordship.
Okay,
My
state
letter
has-
friend, Lordship, he's appearing for the primary respondent. He's yet to file his.
Are you also seeking time?
Yes, sir. Lordship,
Okay. Not yet filed.
for reply, Lordship.
Land counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Muazzam. Praying for
Lordship, I'm praying for 3 weeks' time to file
3
my
weeks. And
bacalot.
you?
Lordship, the same prayer, Lordship.
Uh,
3 weeks.
Is prays for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply. Mr.
Sukachi, Lordship.
Land counsel for respondent number
3, Lordship, private
3
respondent.
is also present and prays for, you have not yet filed counter.
Yes, Lordship, I filed my bacalot number only this morning.
Okay. Sami said he has filed wakalat nama today itself and prays for some time to file counter affidavit.
Lordship, I'm for the state.
Mr. Miss.
2 weeks time, we required to file affidavit.
Okay. Praise, make a similar prayer for file affidavit. So, is prayed for by the Lana Council for the party, list this matter after 3 weeks. In the meantime, the parties will exchange the affidavit. Okay.
Oblige,
Yes,
Lordship.
Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5 on behalf of Tipa. Lordship, I kindly grant 2 weeks time to file counter affidavit.
Your Lordship, the interim order may be continued.
Hmm?
Interim order may be continued.
Okay. Item 4.
Item 5,
So item 5. You are praying how much time?
2 weeks time.
Okay. You are Miss
Manashina, appearing on behalf of my senior El Iralo.
Learned. Appears on behalf of Mr.
El Iralo.
Okay. El Iralo, Lana Council for the petitioner. Miss
Pichano for the state.
Lana Council for the state prays for 2 weeks' time to file counter affidavit. Stop. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Stop. The interim or the past alerts will continue till the next stage. Okay.
Lordship, I also like to beg to mention item number 28. Lordship, I kindly list this matter on 25/4/2024.
25.
Lordship,
Okay. Yeah.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Okay. Is prayed for by the Lana Council for the party. List this matter on 25 for hearing. Okay.
Oblige, Lordship.
Lordship. May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 27, Lordship. Supplementary, Lordship.
27.
For respondent number 1, 2, and 6. Lordship, kindly list this matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship,
Okay.
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship.
Okay, Mr. Snema Muazzamid, Lana Council for the petitioner is present. Stop. Mr.
Sukachi, Lordship.
Lana Council for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3 prays for listing the
2 weeks after 2 weeks, Lordship.
okay. Listing this matter after 2 weeks, to which Mr. Muazzamid, Lana Council for the petitioner has no objection. Stop. Accordingly. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Oblige, Lordship.
Oblige.
Yeah, please, your lordship.
Yes,
I beg to mention item number 26.
26.
Yes,
Yes.
my lord, this matter will be fixed on 6th of May.
6 May.
Yes, my lord.
I'm for responding 2 to 6.
Yes, 2 to 6. Okay. So you have any objection?
No objection.
On 6th? Okay. Mr.
Manan.
Land Council for the petitioner. Is present. Miss
Biketsono.
because Land Council for the respondent, sorry, her name, huh? First state, huh? Okay. Land
I'm
Council.
for the state, Your Lordship.
Yes. And Miss Vikasamo, Land Council for the respondent number 2 to 6 are also present. Is prayed for by the Land Council for the petitioner, to which the Land Council for the respondent has no objection. List this matter on 6/5 for admission hearing. Okay.
Lordship, I think an error has been committed. For item number 20, it should be 30 April.
20.
Item number 20, 30 April.
To be fixed on 30 April.
Yeah, Lordship.
Okay. Item 20. It should be 30.
30 April.
Okay.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I'd like to mention item number 12.
Well,
I just received affidavit in opposition, so kindly grant us 3 weeks' time to go through it, and if need be, file.
you
a
are for
uh, I'm appearing on
item
behalf-
12.
Yeah, item 12.
Somebody already mentioned, I think. No. Not mentioned. Not mentioned. It was 11. You are mentioning item 12.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are for?
I'm appearing on behalf of Tushit Engine, so we just received affidavit in opposition, so kindly grant us 3 weeks' time to take necessary steps, or if need be, file reply.
For the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Well, not yet. No? Okay. Miss
Vivana.
Land Council for the petitioner prays for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply. So affidavit in opposition also not filed here in.
I received today, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
I've
Oh, you have received today? Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
sorry. Okay. Submits that she has received the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number. Who filed
Government
affidavit?
advocate,
Okay,
the government,
by the
the state.
state respondent and prays for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply. The prayer is allowed. This. You are for the state.
Lordship.
Her name also, huh? Ms. So-and-so, President. The prayer is allowed. This is matter after 3 weeks. Okay. Yes.
My lord, item number 17. I'm representing the state here, your lordship. I pray that this item is allowed 3 weeks' time for the state counter.
Okay. You are for the petitioner. Yes. He is present. Mr. So-and-so, Land Council for the petitioner. He is present. Mr. Mohan Chen Planet, senior government advocate, prays for 3 weeks' time.
Your lordship.
3 weeks' time to file counter. The affidavit, huh? The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Please, lord.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 19.
19.
Yes, on behalf of the state respondents. 3 weeks, pray for 3 weeks to file affidavit.
You have any objection?
No objection, Lordship.
Okay, Mr. His name, huh? Mr. Sukichis.
Yes, Lordship.
Land Council to the petitioner is present. Stop. Mr. His name, huh? Land Council for the state respondent prays for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Bless Lordship.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 15.
Yes.
We'll be filing our
We'll be,
affidavit not filed
we'll be filing our wakalatnama in the course of the day to do.
for the respondent,
Yeah, respondent number one.
one.
Yes.
Manoj, I appear for the petitioner in this matter through VC. Your Lordships, I have not received any counter or any wakalatnama from the other side. Your Lordship will grant whatever time they have. Manoj, the interim orders may continue.
There is interim also.
Yes, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr.
Peter Sato.
K. Goyal.
He is present. Stop. You're Mr.
Peter Sato.
Rajiv Bhatnagar, resolution professional also, Lordship.
Hmm?
I'm Rajiv Bhatnagar, resolution
in
professional.
person. He's a petitioner in person, Manoj. The petitioner, Mr. Rajiv Bhatnagar, is present in person.
Okay. Mr. Rajiv Bhatnagar, petitioner in person. Petitioner in person is present through video conference. Huh? And you are for the land counsel for the petitioner?
Yes, Manoj.
Okay. Along with his Mr. His name, land counsel, no? Along with the counsel, Mr. So-and-so, staff. Huh? Mr.
Peter
They are
Sato.
praying for a time to file affidavit.
3 weeks time.
I have no objection.
Okay. Praise his name. Land counsel for the respondent number one.
Yes, Lord.
Prays for 3 weeks time to file affidavit. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Unless the interim orders may continue.
Stop. Huh? The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date. Okay.
Lordship, item number 21 again, Lordship.
Yes.
Yeah, it turned out that even the petitioners are praying for time, so it's a joint prayer for listen after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay.
Already mentioned.
On the joint prayer made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. and Mr. Angami, Learned Counsel, Learned Government Advocate, list this matter
2 weeks, after 2 weeks.
after
Lordship.
2 weeks.
Lordship.
Okay.
For motion, item numbers 1 and 2.
Lordship, on the last occasion, reports were called for, Lordship.
Yes. How many reports? Let's see. Yes.
Lordship, the present criminal petition is pertaining only to one provision under CRPC, Lordship. We're concerned with 438 1B of CRPC, Lordship. Now, my contention in this criminal petition is that 438 of 1B of CRPC is yet to be enforced. Lordship, what has happened on 28th of March 2024, Lordship, before the Leonard Sessions, Lordship? I have filed an application praying for granting.
You are protected by the interim order.
Yes, Lordship, I'm protected.
Okay, so they are asking for, the next date is fixed on
On
which date you are
Appear.
asked to be
appear in
be
present.
present.
Yes, Lordship.
Why it is necessary?
Lordship, by invoking section 438 IB of CRPC.
No, he is already protected by the interim order. And you have already, by the same court. Why
Lordship,
his presence is necessary?
Interim is only for the period of 30 days. Lordship.
30 days expired, not yet, I think.
30 days is expired. Lordship,
It was, then it was not extended.
Lordship, it was extended on 28 March 2024, Lordship. That was the last day of hearing, Lordship. It was extended for a period of 30 days, Lordship. So counting from 28 March, 30 days, Lordship, it will expire on tentatively on 27 or 28 of April, Lordship. And the hearing is fixed on 29.
29.
Okay, so basically, you will be unprotected for 2 weeks, 2 days, 2, 3 days.
Lordship, yes.
So why don't you pray in the same court? Make a prayer in the same court.
Lordship, my grievance,
Was granted.
my grievance is pertaining to the personal appearance, Lordship. I have no issue, Lordship, with regard to the hearing, Lordship. But my grievance is 1B, Lordship.
But since you have already, he has already appeared, given a statement also, probably you have given
Yes,
one
Lordship,
one
very
statement
much,
also. Why his appearance is required?
Lordship, under section 438,
Hmm.
if Lordship may kindly come to the CRPC section 4.
Lordship, sorry for indulgence, Lordship. To save this precious time of this honorable court. 1B is yet to be enforced, Lordship.
So must have seen.
It's yet to be enforced, Lordship. Supreme Court is very clear, Lordship.
Now, even if it is enforced also, but since he has already appeared, and then he has already given statement before the police, as and when called for, he is appearing, he is cooperating probably.
Exactly, Lordship.
There is, so what is, what made, or why it is necessary?
If your Lordship may also kindly
So where are they stationed, these accused persons?
Delhi, Lordship. All of them are from Delhi, Lordship. And if your Lordship may kindly appreciate, even on the second occasion, the petitioner number 1 appeared on.
Bail can be cancelled.
Lordship,
Since or the interim order can be cancelled on the same day, but then why appearance is required?
Lordship, by invoking section 438, I be since it has already been passed by the lower court below, Lordship. Now, Lordship, they have come before this honorable court
Has it
by
enforced?
filing one IA by amending the petition, Lordship. So, Lordship, at this stage, Lordship, I may allow some time. On the last occasion, this honorable court has directed to produce the scan copy of the record, Lordship. However, I have
No, scan copy, this only.
Lordship to ascertain, yes, Lordship.
Because by interim order, the accused are already protected. And on record, it appears that they have already appeared.
Lordship,
They have given statement also.
Yes, Lordship.
So under the circumstances, it appears that
Lordship, the issue is serious in nature, Lordship. So, Lordship, even the respondent, they have an apprehension, Lordship. So, if Lordship may kindly list this matter after 3 weeks, Lordship. In the meantime, Lordship will get a necessary instruction, Lordship. Since through telephonically, I've been informed that some pertaining issues, they would like to place it before this honorable court on the next day.
after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
In that case, my IA may be considered because I filed an interlocutory application for stay of the operation of the order, Lordship.
So in the meantime, because his interim protection is only after
7, Lordship.
27, and your case is fixed on 29. So he is seeking for the protection till then. What is your submission on that?
Lordship, in that way of the matter, Lordship, interim protection may be given. In the meantime, let the respondent, since there is a pertaining issue that need to be addressed before this on.
Okay, the interim protection be extended till then?
Lordship.
29.
Lordship.
Okay. So what about the personal appearance on 29?
Yes, Lordship, exactly. And my petition is only pertaining to that, Lordship.
So his submission is that it has not yet been enforced. Personal appearance.
Lordship, in that way of the matter, since today is 23rd, Lordship,
Yeah.
since the matter is fixed on 29 of this month, Lordship.
Monday.
So if, on Monday. So if this matter can come up on Friday, actually, this morning I had an instruction from the lottery department, Lordship, and they want to contest this case, Lordship. So
This miscellaneous IA,
Lordship, in the main petition.
main petition, Quashing petition.
as well as the I. Lordship. Yes.
In that case, it may be heard on Thursday, Lordship, the main petition, Lordship.
Or else on Friday, Lordship. Let it come on Friday. Since the
Friday.
matter is fixed on Monday, Lordship. Okay. 20
Friday is 26.
26.
or 26.
It can be on 25th, Lordship, subject to convenience of this honorable court, Lordship.
Today is 20.
23rd, Lordship.
23rd, Lordship. So if 26 Lordship, since they have filed the IA today by amending the petition.
Okay. Okay, then 26.
Lordship.
Just see, his contention is that 438 2,
1B, Lordship.
sorry, 1B
Lordship.
is not yet been enforced.
Yes, that is the contention.
And then says that since the accused are cooperating, and then they are under the interim protection, their personal appearance may not be required. Their contention.
Lordship, that is their contention, Lordship.
Okay.
So, but since the respondent want to.
Okay. Mr. Muaz Melani, counsel for the applicant. And also is Jimom Larang, PP for the state of Nagaland. Who prays for? You want to file?
Lordship. Let it come on Friday to get a necessary instruction,
Okay.
Lordship, from the.
Who prays for? Who submits that the matter may be come up on 26, and in the meantime, you will obtain necessary instruction. Okay. Please prayed. List this matter on 26. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
From the supplementary cost list for motion, item number 22.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, this is an application under section 439 of CRPC, praying for release of the accused applicant on bail. Lordship, the applicant accused is the CEO of this person, adjournment in company, Lordship, Maharashtra. The company is dealing with supply of coming equipments and installations of the machines and the country, Lordship. The company is a reputed company. There is no past criminal records. Lordship, what happened is that, Lordship, the complainant placed an order of coming machines through the present applicant. And there is an agreement entered between the complainant and the petitioner that 50% of the total amount should be paid in advance, and the remaining 50% balance should be paid before shipping the equipment from China, Lordship, because the manufacturing unit is in China, Lordship. Accordingly, Lordship, in the course of time, the complainant paid rupees 55 lakhs to the present present petitioner, which was subsequently back to the manufacturing company at China. Now, the complainant has yet to pay 55 lakhs, because of which, Lordship, because of non-payment of the remaining amount of 15 lakhs, the equipment the camping machine could not be delivered from the manufacturing unit. Once the complainant paid a total amount, the present applicant is ready to deliver the camping machine to the complainant. However, Lordship, during the course of time, a complaint was lodged by the complainant alleging the offense under section 409, 420 of the IBC, Lordship. And based on the complaint, Lordship, the present petitioner was arrested on 11/2/2024, and he is in judicial custody since 25/2/2024. The present applicant, Lordship, applied bail before a learned GMFC. However, Lordship, by order 7/3/2024, my bail application was rejected on 2 grounds. First ground of rejection of my bill is that the petitioner is not a resident of Timor. That is the first ground. The second ground is the investigation is in nascent stage. That is the 2 grounds by which the learned court will rejected my bill. Lordship, we consider one aspect of the matter, Lordship. If there is any violation of terms and conditions of the agreement, it doesn't attract the criminal offense.
There is an agreement executed between the parties.
Lordship, and even if there is any violation of agreement, such dispute is purely civil in nature, Lordship. However, Lordship, in order to give unnecessary harassment, complaint was lodged, and based on the complaint, the present petitioner was arrested on 11/2/2024, and since then he is in judicial custody, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly turn to the agreement. Page 12. I enclose the relevant portion only, Lordship. This is agreement between the complainant and his partial entertainment, Lordship.
Page 12.
Page 12. Photo of the equipments are there, specification are there. Next page, Lordship. Terms and condition. Number 1, payment terms, 50% advance, 50% before shipping from China. Because the manufacturing unit is a China, Lordship, and the machine could be delivered only after payment of the full amount of 70 lakhs, Lordship. And now the complaint is yet to be the 55 lakhs. That is how the equipment could not be delivered to the person complainant, Lordship.
Okay. So,
And the transaction, page 14 is transaction made between the petitioner and the manufacturing unit in China, Lordship. The amount has already been distributed to the manufacturing unit by the present petitioner.
okay, so he was arrested on
Arrested on 11/2/24.
11/2/24.
Yes, and
Oh.
since
And
24,
what is the maximum punishment
Lordship,
under the
3 years, I think, Lordship.
so it's more than, it appears more than 60 days?
He was arrested on 11/2. And he's under
11/3.
judicial custody from 25/2.
Hmm?
25/2, under judicial custody.
This is April,
Almost 2 months. Lordship.
almost 2 months, not yet 2 months.
Yes, from the date of arrest, Lordship.
Hmm.
2 months completed, Lordship.
Completed.
Yes, from the date of arrest.
The maximum punishment is for the offense registered against him?
Lordship, 409.
420.
409, Lordship.
409. Okay, 409.
409 and 420. 409 is imprisonment for life or imprisonment for 10 years, fine. And 420 is, Lordship, imprisonment for 7 years. and file.
Okay. For imprisonment for 10 years and fine. Okay.
Lordship, may kindly see the complaint.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Lordship, this stage, Lordship, short notice may be issued because the record is straight in Mabor.
Okay. Mr. What is the name? Land counsel for the petitioner. Also had Miss Halima. Land PP. Additional PP, no? PP. PP, stop. This is an application under section 439 of the CRPC, praying for release of the accused. We Amol Tong, alias Amol Prakash Tong, who has been arrested by which police?
Dimapur, Lordship.
Dimapur police in connection with Suburban PS case number 007/2024 under section 420, 409, 34 of IPC. Stop. Issue notice. Miss her name is since Miss So-and-so has received the notice on behalf of the state respondent, no formal notice need be issued. Stop. Call for CD. Huh?
Scan
copy of the scan copy of the CD. Stop. List is matter on
after a week, Your Lordship.
After a week, Lordship.
That would be on
38.
30. On which date Miss Ilana PP shall produce a scan copy of the CD. Okay.
Update.
Yes.
So we will be on 7th, Lordship. We will be on 7th. Not
For 7th?
Yeah.
Tell the party then. Why not on 6th? 7.
1 week, 7. We'll be on 7th.
Didn't we fix on 30? Says the government advocate is paid for ABPB is paid for 30.
Okay.
Fixing that.
30 May.
April. 30 April.
Why 6 is not possible?
Lordship, may kindly consider that the accused is under judicial custody since 11/2/2024.
It's possible.
Okay. Then inform. We'll have to inform.
Inform good about that.
Yes. When?
How many 36%?
Yes. Order already passed, Lordship. Fixing 30, 34.
Okay.
34. Obviously.
For motion item numbers 23 to 25.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes, please.
I attend, Your Lordship. This is for implement of state as one of the respondent.
Whether this
In the
impleadment of the state is necessary.
Your Lordship, like in the now
This is a complaint case, I think.
the complaint case, but in the meantime, Your Lordship, the police had investigated. That is why it was not the state was not made a party. But in the last occasion, when this court that since investigation has been done by the police, let the state also be made a party. So accordingly, we have filed this IA for implement of state, Your Lordship.
Investigation also done here in this case.
The investigation has
As
been
per the
done.
direction of the JMFC.
Okay.
So that is why. So the court. So this IA has been filed for implement of state.
So entrance of the state probably in the order.
Yes.
I could not find. But then, so that means the investigation was conducted by the police. The Lana JMFC already directed and on the basis of the direction,
Lordship.
investigation was done by
Yes.
the police.
So that is why the court felt that.
Okay.
It is
The investigation, the report submitted,
inquiry report submitted,
already submitted,
already submitted.
taking cognizance of the
Lordship.
report also.
Lordship.
Then of course,
Yes.
then maybe.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Hiral.
TB Jamni.
Lana Senior Counsel. No. Lana Counsel for the petitioner, huh? Applicant. Also heard, Mr.
David.
Stage. Huh? Lana, your PP, additional PP.
No, your
For
lordship.
the private.
Is the his
Private.
the complainant.
Okay, Lana Counsel for the respondent number, respondent staff, huh? Para. On that occasion, the state appeared.
No, your lordship.
Not yet.
Okay. So they are yet to be included.
Okay. Para. This is IA-10.
IA-10, IA-10, your lordship. IA-10 is for impleadment in the civil revision 10. And IA-11, your lordship, is for impleadment in criminal petition 32.
Okay, IA-10, huh? This is an application praying for leave of this court to implead the state of Nagaland through the officer in charge, East PS Dimapur, Nagaland, is party respondent number 2 in the connected criminal revision petition number 10. Connected criminal revision petition, huh? Staff, huh? The Lana Counsel for the petition submits that pursuant to the order of the Lana JMFC, the police has investigated into the case and submitted report or what? Report before the
Inquiry report.
inquiry report before the state court, and hence the state is a necessary party to the criminal revision petition staff. The respondent has no objection. The respondent has no objection to the implement of the state as necessary as a respondent party staff. In view of the above, the petitioner is allowed to, this application is allowed, the petitioner, sorry, the state shall be implead. The petitioner is allowed to implead the state as respondent number 2 to the criminal revision petition staff. So this IA stands disposed, and in the main criminal revision
10.
Are both, Para, in view of the order pass on in IA 10/2024, whereby the impleadment of the state and the state has been impleaded, allowed to be impleaded as respondent number 2, the petitioner should take steps.
I am allowed to file a recast petition within 3 days, your lordship.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Before that, no? Okay, the petitioner shall file a recast petition within
3 days.
3 days by impleading the state as respondent number. state as a respondent number 2, stop, huh? Okay. So then thereafter only notice? Notice now.
Lordship, it's okay, thereafter notice can be served, it's okay.
After
And then,
that.
and then, or I may be permitted to serve notice to the state respondent.
Okay. The petitioner shall also serve a notice upon the state,
Through the PP,
newly impleaded state respondent to
through the PP,
the PP.
Lordship,
Okay. PP within a week from today.
Lordship.
Okay, stop. List this matter after
3 weeks or
3 weeks. Okay. The I did this I also similar
Similar
order.
order, and here it will be in connection with criminal petition
petition.
32.
IA 11 has same, but the only criminal petition, huh?
So IA stand disposed.
IA stand disposed. So here also and here also same. You will take steps. Huh? Serve the copy within a week. Huh? Same similar order. This is criminal petition 32. Huh? Okay.
Much of it.
For admission, item number 14.
Mr. Lordship,
Yes.
I'm for the petitioner. Here, my farmland is badly damaged by the construction of the national highway. So, my lord, I've submitted my complaint and representation to the deputy commissioner Junebuto, but the concerned deputy commissioner have not looked into the matter. Just I have approached this honorable court. And here, my lord, my humble prayer is kindly dispose of the representation as to carry out the assessment of the property damage. So far, assessment has not been done in this matter, my lord. And I've annexed all the damage property picture in my petition, my lord. From annexure 2 from page 15.
State has filed counter? No.
State have not filed till now.
Lordship, in this case, I'm representing respondent number 2, 3, and 4. The Union of India as well as the NHIDCL, Lordship. I filed my affidavit only this morning, Lordship.
You already filed?
Yes, Lordship. So I have a copy of my affidavit.
You received a copy?
Yes, my lord.
In this case, our role is very limited, Lordship. Because we as an implementing agency, Lordship, I came into picture only the year 2017, Lordship, as NHIDCL. I was appointed by MOT, the central government, Lordship, for implementing all the works, Lordship. Now, this damaged compensation that he is claiming in this petition, Lordship, it happened before I came into picture, Lordship.
Okay.
So, and as far as my role is concerned, Lordship, we have also paid all the compensation which was claimed during our time, Lordship. So, more or less, I'm not a necessary party in this case, Lordship. Even otherwise, Lordship, I find my affidavit stating the same, Lordship.
You have submitted representation before?
So before Deputy Commissioner Junebuto,
Okay.
on page 25, my lord. Personal number.
Who has the power to give or entertain the representation or to pay the compensation and all?
Actually, my lord.
Your representation is for the payment of compensation.
Assessment, my lord.
Assessment.
Yeah, without assessment, there cannot be a compensation. First assessment, my lord. But even assessment has not been done, despite the ongoing construction have damaged my property, and it has been going on for years after years. It's not like the damage have stopped. It's not like that, my lord.
Construction already done or construction
Going on, my lord.
already done?
Yes, my lord.
Okay,
I
the
submitted.
compensation, that must be after payment of the compensation only.
No, my lord, here the issue is.
What about the others? Others who are being affected by construction of this road?
On that
Whether the
area,
others have already been paid?
near my area, I'm not aware, but near my farm, I'm not aware, my lord. I don't have the information. But my farmland is just below the highway, just attached to the highway, and it has been damaged, my lord. I have annexed all the damage, the picture also, my lord.
The implementing agency is different. The money is with
Money will come from the central, my lord.
from the center.
Yeah, but assessment has to be done by the state.
Okay, so
But the
thereafter the
assessment has
state
not
will
been done,
submit.
my lord.
Thereafter the state will submit before the central
Yes, my lord.
for payment.
Yes, my lord. So my prayer is
Where is your representation? Let us see.
on page 25, my lord.
25.
25 is.
So whether the question, whether if they have no right, can they assess?
State have every right to carry out the assessment, my lord.
Basing on the request of any XYZ, whether the state can assess. That can be done.
Yes, Lordship. Normally what happens, Lordship, the state undertakes assessment, verification on all with a representative of the implementing agency as well as the contractor, Lordship. Now, Lordship, this damage has been caused during the contractor who was engaged by the name Midas Gayatri, Lordship. Now he is no more in the picture, Lordship. After we came into, we were entrusted with this project, Lordship. We have appointed a different contractor and he is executing the work now, Lordship. But the damage which he is claiming in this case, it was at the time when the former contractor, he was executing the work, Lordship.
Okay.
Now the assessment can be done by the Deputy Commissioner, Lordship.
Okay, but assessment is different, and then the way it has to be submitted, that is different.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, but the assessment can be done by the
Deputy Commissioner, yes. And it is forwarded to the state and state forward to the central government. And once the central government approves the money, Lordship, it will be returned in the joint account of the Deputy Commissioner as well as the NHIDCL, Lordship. That's how the disbursement happens, Lordship. What may I also kindly appreciate that similarly situated persons they who claim at that relevant point of time they were already granted those benefits, Lordship, by way of compensation, Lordship.
Okay, by
compensation by the central government, Lordship.
Central government.
Yes.
So it was assessed by the Deputy Commissioner.
Yes, Lordship.
Forwarded to the central.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, the Deputy Commissioner in this case will be the necessary party.
Have you made party?
Oh, yes, respondent number 7.
Respondent number 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Our state should come with their clear instruction why this representation could not be disposed, Lordship. State should come up with, by way of an affidavit, why this representation could not be considered or why the petitioner
The
case.
state is not appearing also. We'll fix another date. Let the state say, or if the state says that it can be disposed of, we'll dispose of. We'll fix next date, next week. Okay.
Yes.
Let the state appear. If you want to obtain necessary instruction in a day or two, that's fine. Next week. We'll dispose of on the next week with the direction to just assess. Let the state appear.
Yes.
At least. Okay. Mr.
Okay, so my lord.
This is item. Parking Richard Board,
Yes, my lord.
counsel for the petitioner. I heard Mr. Parking Richard, counsel for the petitioner. And also Mr. Moazami, counsel for the respondent number. You are for respondent number
3 and 4, Lordship.
2, 3, and 4. We submit that he has filed affidavit today itself.
Lordship.
Staff. No one appears on behalf of the state respondent staff. Is great. By the land council for a petition. Come on, list this matter. Next week, we'll try to dispose, next week. Next week, in the last part of next week, would be.
29, my lord. 29.
Next week.
29, we have the bench.
29, 30, any day.
Or 30.
30,
my lord.
Okay. But no one is appearing. State anyone? No.
No.
Okay. On that, they let to obtain instruction.
Much better.
30.
For admission, item number 16.
Also counter not yet filed.
Yes, Lordship. The state is yet to file, Lordship.
No one is present for the state. Land counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Moazami, represents. So what to do?
State may be given some time, Lordship. And another Miss Inauli, she appeared on the last occasion, Lordship.
No one appears on behalf of the state respondent staff. Miss Inala. Inauli. Only the state?
Yes.
With the respondent, okay. The on Five 2024, Miss Inauli, learned government advocate. Appear on behalf of the state and praise for some time to file affidavit in opposition stuff. But today she is not present. Para staff of end of justice. The state is given some more time to file affidavit. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
For orders, item number 18.
You have not yet taken steps. You are for?
For respondent number 1, my lord.
You have not yet taken steps.
I have already taken steps, Lordship, earlier. This 124. I 124, Lordship.
Yes.
Since the in the main writ petition, the address was not found to be correct and written back.
Yeah.
So we have filed this IA for correction of the address of the respondent number 1. And after that, we have issued a notice. And Mr. Zakirbo, my learned friend, will be appearing for the respondent number 1.
Okay. This IA for what?
IA, in fact, Lordship, IA 124 is already disposed of. It should not have been listed.
It is already.
This is for correction of the address, and order has already passed, and the respondent, respondent counsel.
Okay, they are appearing now.
Now I see.
Okay, you are appearing.
Yes. So 124 may be
disposed
of, yes.
Okay.
This is 124 is for correction of the address.
Mr. Yangarwati, Lana counsel for the applicant.
124.
Stop. Mr. This name, appeared on behalf of Parking Richard Bro, appeared on behalf of respondent number 1. Stop. This
can be disposed of first, Lordship.
After serving of notice, after making correction of this address.
Yes,
okay,
yes, Lordship.
Since Mr. Chapo, Parking Richard Bro,
has already appeared for respondent number 1.
Already appeared for the respondent number 1.
The IB disposed of.
From the IA stands disposed of. The IA, this IA 124 stands disposed of. Okay, stop.
Yes. And in the other case, there are another 2 IA, Lordship.
In the main,
there are another 2 IA, 72 and
what
73.
Is this? 72 is for
connotation of delay.
Okay.
Lordship, there is also another 2 respondents.
Okay, condemnation. You have any objection?
Yes, my lord.
How many days?
668. 668 days.
668
days.
Yes, Lordship.
In filing, this is
in filing the revision.
Is for criminal revision.
No, civil revision.
Oh, sorry, civil revision.
Yes, Lordship.
So you have objection.
Yes, my lord.
You want to file objection.
Yes, my lord.
There is only sole respondent.
No, there are
other respondents also.
Yes, Lordship. I have already issued
they are not appearing.
They have not appeared so far.
Okay, then here, okay, Mr. Yangarwati, Lana counsel for the applicant is present. Stop, Mr. Parking Richard Bro, Lana counsel. You are appearing here also for the first time. Yes, would appear on behalf of respondent number.
Respondent number 1.
For the opposite party number
1.
Stop. And no one. So you have taken a step up.
I have already taken step.
2, 3, and 4 also.
2 and 3. There's only
2, 3, and 4 also.
Yes.
Yep. Have you taken steps?
I have taken step.
They are not appearing.
They have not appeared.
Okay. No one appears on behalf of respondent number 2, 3, and 4. Just a minute. So return service, I think 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4 are still awaited, or what? Because return service report still awaited, it was awaited. So thereafter, no office note. You want to take fresh steps or what to do? Because you have taken earlier.
Yes, I have already taken a step, so let me take a substitute list by way of publication in the paper.
Yeah, okay. Mr. Yangarwati, Land Council for the applicant prays for allowing him to take steps upon the respondent number 2, 3, and 4 by way of substitute service by publishing in the newspaper.
Newspaper, Lordship.
2 or 1?
In Nagaland Post, it is because Nagaland Post is the duly mainly
Okay, 1.
the most circulated
The
paper.
daily newspaper. Stop. the prayer is allowed. The step be taken within 2 weeks, within a week,
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
within 3 weeks from today, and file affidavit to that effect. Stop. The publish within 3 weeks by mentioning the next date, mentioning the next date of the case on as on
Kindly give me a
when
bit.
next date.
Kindly give me a bit. After 2 weeks.
Hmm? 28/5. 28/5. Okay. So in the
Yes, sir.
notice, in the publication, mention 28 as a
Okay.
next date. Okay. And file
Fixing to date as
uh,
applicable date.
28. And file affidavit to that effect. Stop. List this matter on 28. Okay.
Most obliged.
What is this? I-73?
70 is for stay.
Hmm?
Stay.
Okay, thereafter only.
Only yes, only after condemnation.
Okay. So in the meantime, you in the condemnation petition, you file your affidavit. In the condemnation, just write one. Is appearing after condemnation is IA for 72. Okay, here only, Here. Prior to this step by newspaper, So he after his appearance, put appear on behalf of respondent number 1 and pray for some time to file affidavit. Okay.
Most obliged.
It's finished. Okay. It's too early.
I want 24-day disposal, na? To shorten, na? Court